What are repositories in version control?
Repositories are storage spaces where your project's files and their history are kept. In version control systems like Git, these repositories keep track of every change made to your code. Understanding how and where your code is stored helps you manage your work efficiently and collaborate smoothly with others.
Defining local repositories.
A local repository is the copy of your project stored on your own computer. When you make edits, commit changes, or review project history, these actions take place in your local repository. This setup allows you to work offline and experiment safely before sharing updates with others.
What is a remote repository?
A remote repository is hosted on a server or cloud platform, such as GitHub or GitLab. It acts as a central hub where multiple people can push and pull code. Remote repositories enable collaboration by letting teams synchronize their work, review changes, and maintain a shared codebase regardless of location.
Key differences between local and remote repositories.
The main difference is location and purpose. Local repositories exist on your device and are private to you until shared. Remote repositories are shared, central storage points accessible over the internet. While you work and create commits locally, you must push your changes to the remote repository to share them with others.
Why the distinction matters.
Understanding the difference between local and remote repositories is essential for effective teamwork and version control. It ensures you know when your changes are just on your machine and when they're safely backed up and shared with collaborators. Mastering both helps prevent mistakes and simplifies coding together.